Good day, grade 3 pupils. Welcome to our lesson for English 3, Quarter 1, Week 6, Day 4. Our topic for today is sight words and drawing conclusions. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to recognize and use high-frequency words effectively, read grade 3 level sight words fluently, comprehend and analyze information of text by drawing conclusions from the text, use procedural text types effectively. By activating prior knowledge, can anyone share the time when you plant seeds or take care of plants at home or in a garden? Did someone help you plant seeds? How did you prepare the soil? And what did you learn about how plants grow? Lesson purpose or intention. Today, we have another exciting lesson where you will work on some important skills. You will read high frequency and basic sight words. Recognizing them quickly help us read more fluently. You will also read again the story. While you read, pay close attention to the details so you can draw logical conclusions from the text. You shall continue to learn procedural text types. These text types gives us step-by-step instructions on how to do something. Lesson language. Before we listen to the story again, we will work on unlocking some words found in the story through context clues. These words will help you understand the text better. Choose the correct meaning of the underlined words based on how they are used in the sentence. Great job, everyone! Now you have a better understanding of these words and how they are used in each context. Remember the story, The Science of Planting? You will have the chance to retell this interesting story using the pictures provided. For the first picture, it is a picture of a young girl and a young boy in the garden preparing the materials they need to plant seeds. Seeds, soil, watering can, and small pots. Picture number 2. Picture of a young girl and a young boy pulling weeds in the garden. Picture number 3, picture of a young boy putting soil in the pot and a girl making tiny holes in the soil. Picture number 4, picture of a young girl and a young boy putting seeds into the hole and covering them lightly with soil. For number 5, picture of a young girl and a young boy placing the pots where they can receive sunlight. Let's answer the following question. Number 1. Why did Emma and Max pull out the weeds before planting the seeds? Number 2. How did Emma and Max make sure the seeds would grow well in the pots. Number 3, why is it important to water the seeds regularly but not too much? For number 4, what role does sunlight play in helping the seeds grow into plants? And for number 5, how did Emma and Max feel when they saw the first sprouts coming up? Great job, everyone! For developing understanding of the key ideas STEM. Now, we will practice organizing and understanding details from the story of Emma and Max. Instead of working with a partner, I want you to work on your own. You will write the important steps Emma and Max followed to plant their seeds. I will read some sentences from the story. Listen carefully. After each sentence, pause and think. What did Emma and Max do? Why is it important? Let's begin. Direction. Get a notebook or a sheet of paper and write steps Emma and Max did at the top. Then write down these 5 steps from the story in order. Number 1. Emma and Max never forget to carry their watering can when they plant seeds in the garden. Number 2. In the garden, Emma and Max work together to clean the soil of weeds before planting their seeds. Number 3. Both Emma and Max work together to plant the seeds. Number 4. Today, Emma and Max carefully placed the pots in a sunny spot, ensuring the seeds would receive enough sunlight to grow. And number 5. Emma and Max learned that by pulling out weeds regularly, their plants grew better in the garden. For next activity, reading practice. Now, let's read the sentences with sight words. Read each sentence after me. Number 1. Emma and Max never forget to carry their watering can when they plant seeds in the garden. The sight words are never, carry. Number 2. In the garden, Emma and Max work together to clean the soil of weeds before planting their seeds. The sight words are together, clean. For number 3, both Emma and Max planted the seeds. They tried their best to help the seeds grow well. The sight words are both, tried. For number 4, today Emma and Max carefully placed the pots in a sunny spots, ensuring the seeds would receive enough sunlight to grow, and they hoped no seeds would fall out. The sight words are today, fall. For number 5, Emma and Max learned that by pulling out weeds regularly, their plants grew better in the garden. The sight words are pulling, better. For deepening understanding of the key ideas STEM, let's remember what Emma and Max did when they planted their seeds. Who remember the first thing they did? That's right, they pulled out the weeds to keep the soil clean. Why is it important to clean the soil first? After planting, they put the pots in a sunny place. Why do you think plants need sunlight? What does sunlight gives to plants? Very good. Sunlight helps plants make their own food. Now, what do you think Emma and Max learned from planting the seeds? How do you think they felt when they saw the small plants growing? How did you know the answer to those questions? Very good. That's because you use clues from the story to understand what happened. This is called drawing a conclusion. It means using what you read or hear to figure out something that isn't said directly. Now, let's talk about the kind of story we read. What kind of text shows steps or directions? Very good. The answer is, it is called procedural text. What words help us know the steps? Very good. The examples are first, next, then, finally. Procedural texts help us know what to do, like planting seeds, cooking, or cleaning. Let's go back to Emma and Matt's planting. What did they do after cleaning the soil? That's right, they filled the pots with soil and made small holes. Why did they make the holes the same size? Very good, because it helps all the seeds grow evenly. Then, they put out the seeds in each hole and covered it lightly with soil. Why didn't they cover it too deeply? Good, because the seeds need air and sunlight to grow. Then, they water the seeds gently. Why do you think watering is important? That's right. Water helps the seeds grow. It gives the plant the moisture they need to stay alive and healthy. What happens if we water too much? Great. If we water too much, the plant's root can rot and the plant might die. Making generalization. Reflection. I learned in today's lesson that blank. I realized that in drawing conclusion, we must blank. When speaking or writing a procedural text, I should use these few words: that, blank. Evaluating learning. Read the story. Cora and June wanted to grow crystals. They got a glass jar, string, water, sodium borate powder, and food coloring. First, they boiled water and mixed it with sodium borate until it dissolved. Then, they hung a string in the jar and left it overnight. Every day, they looked at the string to see if crystals formed. Slowly, they saw colorful crystals growing on the string. Direction. Arrange the steps of the experiments in the correct order by writing numbers 1 to 5 in the blank. Here are the answers. For remediation, look for a recipe book, choose a menu, and write the step-by-step procedures on how to make this menu. Great job today, everyone! You listened well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, observe, and have fun. See you next time!